Cummins India listed entity will be declaring its results later today. Vamakshi joins us yesterday. Vamakshi, you told us about what would be the impact of Cummins Inc., the global parent, and what is the kind of correlation. But today we are looking at the Indian listed entities numbers. Take us through the preview.
Well, absolutely, Vivek. It is an important quarter for Cummins India, and that is because this is the first quarter after the transition to the new CP-CP4 gensets. Now, keep in mind that the revenue is expected to come in at 2,205 crores. So this is an uptick of almost 16%, what we're expecting. EBITDA is expected to come in at 430 crores, an uptick of 27% is expected out here, and this growth is largely being driven by the EBITDA margin. EBITDA margin is expected to come in at 19.5%. This is an improvement of over 170 basis points. Net profit could come in at 403 crores for the company. Out here, we're expecting a growth of almost 23%. Broadly, the expectation is that the domestic revenue growth could be very strong, and this would largely be led by the power gen segment. This is what the parent entity also indicated in its con call yesterday. Macquarie channel checks also suggest that there was better absorption for the increased prices post the transition to the new emission norms, and however, the expectation is that the export could remain weak YOY, but we're expecting a sequential recovery in the exports. As far as some things to watch out for will be the commentary on the demand front. We will be also keeping an eye out on the pricing environment after the implementation of the new norms, how well it has been absorbed. So we will be watching out for the commentary on that one as well. And lastly, keep an eye out on the management's outlook on the export trajectory going forward. So overall, we're expecting a good set coming in from Cummins. Domestic revenue expected to be strong, but exports could remain weak YOY.
Thank you so much for that, Vamakshi. So exports on a year-on-year basis could remain weak, but domestic exports could see some recovery on a sequential basis. But moving on, just